Have you ever noticed that some people eat eggs every single day and still can't seem to lose belly fat, while others eat the exact same food and watch the weight melt away? What is the difference? Today, I am going to break down 5 science backed rules that determine whether your eggs are actually burning fat or quietly working against you. And stick around for rule number 4. It involves a study where people ate more calories and still lost 4 times more belly fat. Let's get into it. Rule number 1, quantity. How many eggs should you actually eat? Most people trying to lose weight eat 2 eggs and call it a breakfast. It feels responsible, moderate, healthy, but here's what the science actually says. 2 eggs might not be enough to trigger real fat loss. Here is why. Egg yolks contain a nutrient called choline, and choline is essentially your liver's transport system. Your liver is responsible for packaging fat and shipping it out of your body to be used as energy. Without enough choline, the fat gets stuck. It sits in the liver, accumulates, and makes belly fat nearly impossible to shift, especially after the age of 50. 2 eggs don't give your liver enough choline to do that job properly. Research suggests that 3 to 4 whole eggs per day is the threshold of where your liver starts actively clearing out stored fat. And yes, I mean whole eggs. A lot of people toss the yolk thinking it's the bad part. But the choline, the fat burning nutrients, and a significant portion of the protein are all in the yolk. Throwing it away defeats the entire purpose. More protein also means better muscle preservation, and better muscle means a faster metabolism, including while you sleep. Rule number 2, how you cook them changes everything. You can eat the right number of eggs and still cancel out a lot of the benefits depending on how you cook them. The nutrients inside egg yolks are delicate. High heat destroys them through a process called oxidation. The healthy fats and cholesterol in the yolk get damaged, and your body responds to them as a harmful substance rather than a nutritious one. The goal is simple: white, fully cooked, yolk still soft and runny. The best methods are poached eggs, the gentlest cooking method. Soft boiled 6 to 7 minutes in steaming water. Over easy, low heat, flipped briefly. The more intact and runny the yolk, the more fat burning nutrients your body actually absorbs. Overcooked, brown edged, rubbery eggs look like food, but they are delivering a fraction of what you think. Rule number 3, the oil you cook in can undo everything. Even if you have nailed the quantity and the cooking method, one wrong ingredient can lock your fat cells shut: the cooking oil. Most households default to vegetable oil, canola oil, or soybean oil. These are marketed as heart healthy options, but at cooking temperatures, these oils are highly unstable. They break down and generate compounds that cause inflammation throughout the body, and inflammation directly interferes with fat metabolism. Your fat cells essentially get locked. So you are eating eggs to burn fat while simultaneously adding an ingredient that prevents fat from being released. It is like filling your car with premium fuel and then pouring sand into the tank. The solution: cook your eggs in ghee, real butter, or avocado oil. Ghee and butter contain a fat called butyrate, which activates your body's fat burning pathways and reduces inflammation at the cellular level. Keep the heat low to medium. This protects both the oil and the yolk. Rule number 4, the insulin trap. What you eat with your eggs. This is the rule most people never hear about, and it might be the most important one. A well-known study divided participants into 2 breakfast groups. Group 1 ate a healthy, low-fat breakfast: oatmeal, juice, and toast, but with 500 fewer calories. Group 2 ate eggs and fat with virtually zero carbohydrates but consumed 500 more calories. The result: Group 2 lost 4 times more belly fat. The mechanism is insulin. Every time you eat bread, toast, juice, or hash brown, or a bowl of oats, your blood sugar spikes and your body releases insulin. Insulin is essentially a fat storage signal. While it's elevated, your body cannot burn fat. Full stop. Eggs on their own are zero carb. They don't raise insulin, but the moment you add toast, a glass of orange juice, or a side of home fries, insulin spikes, and now the fat from those eggs is heading straight to your belly instead of being burned. The fix is simple. Pair your eggs with low carb foods. Think spinach, pepper, mushrooms, tomatoes, cheese, or a small amount of meat. If you do want carbs, eat your eggs and vegetables first and save the carbs for the end of the meal. Research shows that simply changing the hour in which you eat can reduce your blood sugar spikes by up to 44%. Rule number 5, egg quality. What you are actually buying matters. The fifth rule starts before you even crack the shell. Not all eggs are the same, and the difference is significant. Standard supermarket eggs, even ones labeled cage-free or free-range, often come from hens raised indoors on corn and soy feed, with no access to sunlight or natural forage. Pasture-raised eggs from hens that actually live outdoors on grass contain 4 times more vitamin D, 2 to 3 times more omega-3 fatty acids, significantly higher antioxidant levels. One study found that participants who switched to omega-3 fatty acids rich lost measurable inches of their waist in 3 months without changing anything else. The easiest way to tell the difference: crack the egg and look at the yolk. A pale yellow yolk means the hen was nutrient deficient. A deep orange yolk means the egg is rich in the nutrients that actually derive fat loss. Yes, pasture-raised eggs cost more, but if fat loss is the goal, this is one of the best investments you can make in your diet. Putting it all together, here's the full picture. Eating eggs alone is not enough. What moves the needle is eating the right number of eggs, cooked the right way, in the right fat, paired with the right foods from the right source. When you apply all 5 of these rules, you are not just adjusting your breakfast, you are actively supporting yourself, your liver, stabilizing your hormones, accelerating your metabolism, and giving your body the conditions it needs to burn stored fat efficiently. It is a simple food, but done right, it is one of the most powerful fat loss tools in your kitchen. If you found this useful, give it a like and share it with someone who have been eating eggs but not seeing results. Subscribe for more evidence-based nutrition content, and I will see you in the next one.